Well, good afternoon. Well, not so good afternoon. It's Sunday the 22nd of January, and obviously I'm filming inside the Polytunnel. We've had some very strong gusts of wind all day today, so this is just what it's like being in the Polytunnel when these gusts come along. I've had to take the shallots, the trays of shallots, off the shelving, because when the gusts get really strong, the whole Polytunnel is rocking about. I've left the sweet peas on the bottom shelves. They seem to be okay there, but you can still see that they're rocking about. And I've got some shallots on the middle shelves as well. That's been dislodged a bit there. That's the elephant garlic that's growing, and that is the globe artichoke that's growing well as well. And there's some more elephant garlic just over there. And the channel, My Family Garden, kindly sent me a couple of Egyptian mint plants, which are in these two little pots here. These will be going into bigger pots and will be sunk into the ground down at the allotments. It's gone quiet now. But before, when I was in the Polytunnel, only about 5 minutes before I actually started filming in here, it was rocking about. God, it's something else. That's why I went and got the camera. So maybe the wind knows that I'm filming, but let's just wait and see. You can see the shelving is rocking as well. I'll move that vermiculite off that middle shelf, because, and all these pots as well, they're going to go flying. Be careful. Oh crap, it's rocking now. See the framework. I've got two huge metal hooks. I've just seen you point to them. Just here, they're in the middle of the Polytunnel, uprights, and they go about 2 feet into the ground, either side. And on the outside I've got pots and things. Oh Christ, that's half rocking now. Holding down the actual overhangs of the Polytunnel cover, which goes out about 12 to 14 inches either side of the Polytunnel, which I've got weighted down. But the main concern is this framework, whether it's going to hold out or not, and whether the material will actually rip in these winds. See what I mean? The whole thing is rocking. Oh, blimey. Yep, so we'll just go outside. Just over here, in this part of the little plot, we've got the garlic that's still doing quite well. which is Germador, in these raised sacks, and also we've got garlic Cristo in these 3 sacks here. They're doing okay. At least the wind's died down slightly. But you can see where about Polytunnel is. It's sort of sheltered to a certain extent, but it does not get buffered about, as you'll see in a second or two. I've got it all weighted down with these sacks at the moment. So. Yeah, it was worse this morning. It's sort of dying down a little bit now, so yeah, so I'll say goodbye from a very, well, most of the day it was stormy, northeast Wales, and inside the Polytunnel, which is now starting to get buffered and it gets buffered about again. So as you can see, the shelving is moving now. Oh well, let's hope it hangs in there. Okay, bye for now.